And the staircase? How convenient. Seems to me we're being lured in. Pack it. Let's go. Careful!
Marcus.
Suka! As if Nasalis' behind us were not enough. Now we're stuck in the fucking graveyard. Artyom, search the bodies. I'll try to get our asses out of here. Here is the market. Stay calm. Uncle Bourbon will get us in. Hey, people! Open up! Don't let your two-legged brethren die a foolish death! Are you deaf in there? We're going to be eaten!
Motherfuckers! Who the hell did you drag with you? Damn Nasalis and Simeon, start the trolley! We'll save the asses!
Artyom, hang on! Fate's on our side! Hey, you! Show yourselves!
Do as he says. These guys have no sense of humor.
Are my eyes playing tricks? Bourbon, old friend, is that you? And I'd given up hope of ever seeing you alive again. Simon, look who the snout scared up.
God damn it. We stepped in this shit now.
Hey, Mikhailovich, what a coincidence! I was just coming to visit you. You hear that, boys? Set out the good dishes. Bourbon's come to visit.
No, don't go running off, Bourbon. We've got a little job to finish, then we'll get back to you. Remember where you should wait for me?
I do.
You sure? I can help you, remember? You get me, right?
Absolutely.
I'd never seen a market like this.
Holster your weapons at once! Who are you? Come into the light! Slowly, slowly! I'll be damned! Bourbon! Hey guys, we'd better search these two. So, you all drunk. What are you carrying this time around? Who's the boy?
Look here, boss. I'm sure we can work this out.
Sure? Let's go and chat a little. And you keep an eye on this one, huh?
Don't move! Stand still, I'm talking to you!
Okay, these two may pass. Welcome to the market.
Let's move our asses, or would you like to enjoy their company a little more?
Hey, watch your tone!
We're in deep shit.
Right in the middle of
No way I can pay back.
when I saw it years ago.
I'll be lucky if they let us shovel shit for the rest of our
It was a nightmare. Terrain is difficult to traverse. You can't go around it since the tunnel.
Well, we can't go to Hansa.
Some tunnel.
It's Moscow. Market underground station. How about some moonshine?
What's the occasion? Driver's Day again?
My son said his first word.
Congratulations! Was it Mama or Papa? Oh, doing well, I presume. Not bad. A little soldier, just like you.
If you're here for the dog, I got plenty. Any kind of food. Same sort.
Hey, look at these, you're nice.
I wasn't saying kids go too far.
Come on, we're in the mood to be telling tales.
The ones who do say there's nothing suspicious about the tunnel itself. The next day, someone who's heard how nice and safe that tunnel is decides to go there alone. Vanishes like a ghost. Stalker said that you must never look at the Kremlin when you are up there outside.
Ask me!
The stars on the top of the towers are mesmerizing.
Everything you need for traveling in dangerous areas.
You won't be able to turn your eyes away.
You don't have that caliber.
Get drawn in.
You're welcome.
And all the gates are...
Medkits, filters, knives, everything you
try
need
and
for
buy.
traveling in dangerous
Excellent
areas.
choice. Good gun. Definitely better than yours.
One of them looks...
Yours, sir, is exactly the same. Well, we could swap if you wish. Agreed. Throw your junk away. That's for babies. This stuff is 5 times better than your toy gun. As you wish.
You won't find better rates in the whole metro. You're welcome.